Hello my people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching always. Yeah, today I woke up in a beautiful mood. Yesterday I had a very nice time. I had a little vacation. You know, sometimes when you are working so hard, you need to get away from the hustle and the bustles of work. Yeah, that's why I'm here to show you this beautiful place. Yeah, so did I say good morning to you? Good morning my viewers, good morning my subscribers, my returning subscribers. You are doing such a great job. Yeah, so today I'm in a beautiful place called Malachi, yeah, Eco Lodge, and it's not far away from Kampala. It's only 40 minutes drive from the city center Kampala up to where it is. It's a hideaway. It's such a beautiful place. So I did not go for breakfast. Why? Today's morning I had a lot to do. I had to answer calls, I had to speak to different people, so I decided not to go for breakfast. Yeah, before I move you around, I think let me just give you a bit of advice. Today I'm packing and I need to go back home, back to work. Yeah, so what I did, I ordered for room service and I'm going to just have a little bit of breakfast. I really hate having breakfast. Yeah, so before showing you my breakfast, let me tell you something. You have to look around the bed. Always lay the bed, okay? Just lay the bed before you leave the place, because you might maybe have kept something. Like me, I have a habit of keeping stuff under pillows. Yeah, sometimes. So you've got to lay the bed before you leave any hotel room, okay? Yeah, so let me first show you what we have here. Then later we'll continue showing you what we have around here. Okay, now this is the breakfast I'm gonna be having. Yes, I'm gonna be having only 2 sausages and Irish potatoes, tomatoes, and some fruits, plus black tea. Yeah, black tea, and you know, without spices. Yeah, without spices. That's all that I have. Now this is the bed that I slept on. Such a beautiful bed. Here we are. Yeah, this bed is so beautiful. I'm gonna be laying, but what I've seen about this bed is that it's so artistic, you know, very artistic. So I'm gonna lay the bed because I'm packing, get whatever I have in, you know, my bed into my bag, dress up, because right now this is not this t-shirt here I just slept in. So I'm gonna be bathing, having breakfast. After breakfast, then we have a room tour. This is so beautiful, I tell you. I'm sure you cannot miss out on Malachi Eco Lodge. Wherever you are, come and visit Malachi Eco Lodge. So right now I'm going to start by laying this bed. I'm not going to lay it so good. Of course, I don't need the bed to be neat. No. But what is the logic behind laying the bed whenever you are leaving any hotel room or any house? So wherever you go, what is the logic? In the comment box below, tell me if you know. Anyway, before you tell me, I'll just tell you, I don't want to leave anything. No small thing of mine should stay in this bed or the room. So I'm going to start by laying the bed. Okay, the logic is not laying the bed to look so neat. The logic is you lay the bed. If you have anything, maybe your passport, maybe your card, bank card, maybe your car key, just name it. You don't have to leave anything behind, even your extra phone, okay? That's why I laid this bed. So I'm quite sure that there is totally nothing that I'll be leaving on the bed. Okay, later I'm gonna show you, but for now let me just dig in, come back and show you around. We shall have this room tour. It's so beautiful, it's so artistic. Oh my god, I'm sure you can't wait to see. Let's meet later. Now breakfast is done. I've almost eaten everything. I did not eat these pineapples. Do you know why? Because I don't want that white pineapple. And then the apples, I didn't eat any. I don't like the way they were cut. So look at that. Yeah, it's all done. I had my tea and it's all done. Now there's a mirror here. Such a beautiful mirror there. Now let me start from here. This room is so artistic to the fact that I've not been to such a room. Yeah, I've been traveling, you know, around Uganda. Yes, sometimes I feel bad that when I travel, I don't show you where I go because of time. Sometimes I travel for meetings, but this time I'm gonna make YouTube very serious, so I start showing you everything where I go. Now look at how beautiful this tree is. You know, it's a dry tree. Look at that. Seriously, if this is not art, what do you call it? Look at that, all the details, you know. The decor is just so, oh my God, I don't know. To me, I give it 9 out of 10. Don't ask me where I put 1, okay? Yeah, to me it's 9 out of 10. I don't know how you're gonna rate it. Now let's come to the bed. Before having breakfast, I did the laying of the bed, and I told you I don't lay this bed because I want it to look neat. No. Look at how I did it. This is not how I do my bed. Please don't go there, don't start, okay? My bed is so beautiful. I'll show you how my bed is. Yes, but I mean at home. Now look at how this bed is made. This is also art. You know, when I'm moving out, I love moving in places where I don't want to feel like I'm home, because when you go to a place where you feel like you're at your home, like I mean ordinary places, sometimes you don't feel like, you know, you're having a vacation or a hideaway or a outing, you know. Sometimes it's better. Now look at this bed. Sometimes it's better to have something different. Look at how beautiful it is. I don't know how you may see it, but for me it is super amazing. Yeah, so there's this detail of the lights. Now for those of you who read at night, I know in the comment box below, if you get time to read at night, you know what I'm talking about. So you need those bedside lights. Yeah, and then the beautiful pillows. You saw that when I was just, you know, laying the bed. Yeah, so that's how artistic this bed is. Of course, I think I need a big view around here. Let's also come this side. I'll show you what I'm trying. Look, oh my God, look at this bedroom. It feels like I'm in Disneyland. What does it feel like? Tell me in the comment box below. If you were to sleep in this room, how would you feel? Seriously, all this is found at Malachi. So I don't want to pretend that it's ordinarily, you know. No, not pretending. That life of pretending is not so good at all. Look at how beautiful it is. Now that is a full view of this bedroom, just standing right here. Let me just turn the camera and show you where I've been standing. Look at that chandelier. Oh my God, very beautiful light, moderate light. Yeah, now those are my chairs. Yeah, these are beautiful chairs. They have curtains over here, and you know, look at the nature. You know, you just have to sleep under nature, surrounded by nature, under nature. You know, it's just really fine. When I say under nature, okay, for sure, let's look on the walls. Look at the walls. You feel like you are in a zoo, something like that. Okay, because there are different African animals, and when it comes to these lights here on the tree, you see, it feels like you're somewhere extraordinary. So they have a chair there. That's where I started my video from. Yeah, so look at that light. Yeah, so this bed is connected to the bathroom, but before we go to the bathroom, I just want to show you at the balcony shortly. Let's just come here. Look at that. You see that? Very beautiful. Okay, we'll be looking out. There's water around here. I think this place is a little bit swampy. The place is full of water, and that's what I really love. I love the sound of water, you know, like in the background you feel like at River Nile. Yes, I feel like I'm at River Nile, but I'm just right here next to it's just like in Tebe. We are in Kajansi, okay? Yeah, we are not in Ginger. Now this is my reparent. Yeah, this reparent I got it from German. It was a gift. Yeah, so I've really kept it safe. I love that bottle. You see that? Okay, that's how beautiful it can be. Now let's have another full view like this. You see, I'm at the door. I just want to show you how beautiful this can be. We have other chandeliers here. Look at the horns. People tell me this is not beautiful. For sure, if it's not beautiful, I don't know what you call beautiful. But you know, when man is made is another lady's poison. Oh my God, look at the lights. Very nice lights, you know. Now, this is the detail of the bathroom. Call this the wall of the bathroom. What? Now, let's come to the detail of the bathroom. I know how beautiful it is. Very artistic. Look at how artistic it is. For sure. You feel like you're somewhere. If I said Disneyland, don't get me wrong. Yeah. Now I know some of the people are thinking about cartoons. I'm talking about my sisters and brothers. If in the comment box below if you really love cartoon, yeah, of course, or Cartoon Network, you know what I'm talking about. So let me get serious and show you the wall. Look, I can't get enough of this. Look at that. Let me just give you a side view of this room. This room alone is just enough to make you feel good. Yeah, so everything to me is okay, just very fine. Look at how spacious this bathroom is. Seriously, look at that. Very spacious. Look. Oh my God. Look at the mosaic on the walls. There's something I really want to show you. I don't think you've seen it yet, but I'm yet to show it to you. But first, let's see the art on the walls. You know, when you get into this bathroom, you don't want to feel like you're like bored. My stuff are just right there. Yeah, I have some makeup there. I have my bottle there. I don't use unboiled water to brush because typhoid disturbs me a lot when I brush using unboiled water. Okay, so maybe I should come this side. I don't even know what to tell you guys. I just want you to feel, you know, like the goodness of this bedroom. Sometimes if I love something, I exaggerate a bit. Yeah, am I really exaggerating? In the comment box below, tell me, have you been in such a bathroom before? If you have, yes, tell me. If you haven't, please come to Malachi Eco Lodge. I'm sure you'll enjoy. Look at the beautiful lights, and they have a toilet over there. Yeah, they have a tissue. They have white towels hanged over there. They have hot water, a heater on the wall, just right there, a chandelier, the same as the other one that I showed you. And they have a sink. This room is called Golden Snails. Why? At first, when they told me, please, you're going to be having a golden snail room, I was like, okay, is the room full of snails? No, this is the reason. That light is made of a snail. We have a snail there. I think that a snail shell. Yeah, these are snail shells, and they are painted gold. I think that's why they call it golden snail. Okay, I don't think I would name my bathroom or room golden snail? In the comment box below, tell me, what would you name your such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful room? Okay, it doesn't matter, that's what it is. You know, when people are making their stuff, they have reasons why they do that. Okay, let's not be so judgmental, but one thing for sure, I thought I was going to sleep in a golden snail. After entering in this beautiful place, I realized I was not about to sleep in a golden snail, but in paradise. That's a beautiful sink, still a bit golden, and also made out of snails. That is the bathtub, built and designed in a very beautiful artistic way. You see that? Shells, golden shells everywhere, and very beautiful. Look at that. So that's a soap dish. Yeah, they have candles there if you have a romantic one, of course. And then they also have shells here. Let me just come in. Look, they also have those shells. So I think they're right to call it golden snail. And also we have a very good artistic picture there of a snail. Yeah, I think the owner of this place loves snails for sure. Now I'm in the bathroom. Let's have a view from the bathroom to the main bedroom, main room. I don't know how you can call it, but of course it's like a studio. Everything is just right there. You have 2 chairs. Yeah, what is missing is only a cooker and the kitchen to become a complete studio. But look at how beautiful it is for sure. Now tell me, if you're not in Disneyland, where are you? In the comment box below, tell me. I'm coming live from Uganda, Kampala, Africa. Kampala is the capital city of Uganda. If you haven't subscribed, please endeavor to do so. Yeah, I appreciate the fact that you are supporting me through your subscriptions, comments, sweet comments. Yeah, of course, my channel is really growing. But of course, you're also free to put a negative comment according to how you think and how you see stuff. You know, sometimes I just want to give my audience their freedom to speak whatever they wish. As long as it makes them happy, I'm good to go. I'm not affected by negative thoughts. Yeah, one thing for sure. And you should also do the same. Now, have you been to this place? If you haven't, please go and visit. Yeah, if you're in Uganda or outside Uganda, just go to their website, figure out what you really want about this place, and I think it will inspire you to go and visit. For me, sometimes I love visiting different places. I learn from them. I learn how to do my own stuff, of course. And those of you who don't know where Uganda is found in East Africa. Yeah, we are the pearl of Africa. So I just tell me also down below what you really liked about this room, and also what you don't like about the room. Okay, yeah, until next time, let's meet in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.